Let's analyze Nifty for the next day. So initially when it opened gap up, I had this wave count where I was expecting wave 5 to finish somewhere near 18,250. Okay, so initially when it started dip, I decided to wait for this swing to be broken for going for the downside, as I have a downside view. And there are a lot of divergences on MACD, so I was expecting and having this count. Then I decided, I checked few candles, and since it was expiry, mostly the expiries are remaining flat to eat the premium. So I was waiting for 18,150 to be broken for downside, and then you can see that this is the channel formed. So instead of this 1 2 3 4 and 5 count, this turned out to be something else. And now when you see here, okay, so then as the day progressed, it was forming a triangle. So yeah, see here, A, B, C, D. Okay, until the D wave, you are not sure what structure it is making. Another thing you can decide is ABC, 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 like this, ABC, and then again ABC. So 3 wave structure, triangles are 3 wave structure and are complicated. Until D wave, you will not be able to realize. So when it was coming here, I was certain that it is going to make a triangle, and yeah, so the last wave was able to project properly, and yeah, it's very easy to go for this during the expiry because there is a lot of volatility. Yeah, so that's how I analyze today's Nifty's move. So this is how Elliott Wave can help you to decide what is the next move. So yeah, what is next tomorrow? So then when it was coming towards 18,200, I was prepared that it is going to go up next, because wave 4 usually contains the triangle. So somewhere 3 has been completed here. So that's when I created the next count, updated the count. So 1 2 is a zigzag, and then the fourth wave will be a triangle in that case. So third wave has been labeled here, so fifth wave is going somewhere here. So this is how I updated the count, and as wave progresses, I know like you know that the fifth wave is pending, and after this move you are aware what happened. A sharp upside head came from 18,210 level towards 18,260. So the final move is in progress, and after this a dip can be expected on the downside. So what are the targets coming in? 18,250 has been already crossed. So yeah, that's not the target actually. Yeah, we have to forget this one. I think this was the previous way to get the targets. Let's check different ways. Okay, so let me switch here. So yeah, so before that, let's check the daily chart. On daily chart, it has made the hanging man pattern. It is found at the top of the trend. So tomorrow can be a final day to see whether it goes up or more up or down from the current levels. Okay, so yeah, daily data is bullish, and we are almost near to 18,600. So yeah, that's all on the daily chart. On option chain, I'm not able to use Quantswap anymore because they have restricted open interest to pro only feature, so we have to rely on Sensible. So this is Sensible screenshot. Yeah, and on Sensible you can see that 30 lakh call writers are put writers are on 18,000. So this is the biggest support, and the biggest resistance is this one, 18,300. 18,500 is the second one, but yeah, here the number is bigger, so we have to consider 18,300 and 18,000 is the range for this expiry. So the second biggest numbers are on 18,200 and 18,200 call and put. So here tomorrow we will see a shift. So it should if it sustains above 18,300, then the support this resistance would shift higher to 18,300. If it trades in the 100 range or 50 range, then this range will be there. Otherwise the range will shift. So this will become a second major support, and then next is 18,400 will be becoming the second resistance. So this call writers will shift higher, then the data will change on the upside. Okay, so tomorrow it should sustain above 18,300. That's what, and close above 18,300. That's what is expected for data shift to upside. So yeah, when you check the hourly chart, this is hourly chart and Elliott wave count, where we are considering W, X wave are completed and Y wave is in progress. Until 18,600 is broken by bigger margin, I will continue using the bearish counts, where A, B are completed here, and the C wave is in progress, which is very much extended, where we are expecting a C wave to complete near 18,300 plus. Okay, so what are the targets coming in for the next final wave of, this is the final wave which you are seeing in yellow color, 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So yeah, the targets can be obtained in a different ways. So the conservative target would be wave 1, okay, is equal to 5. This is the conservative target. From when you take the length of this and plot here, you get 18,400 is the minimum expected level. Wave 5 can end anywhere, and as there are a lot of divergences, as you can see here, there are a lot of divergences on MACD. So this is hourly chart. On 15-minute you will find much more divergences, right? So this is one way to get the upside target, and another way would be to connect these 3 points using Fibonacci extension. So use the Fibonacci extension tool, connect these 3 points, and you get this as the second target. But yeah, that's something very big and may not be possible. So yeah, so somewhere from these two can be expected downside. So a dip is expected after this. So yeah, hope you like the analysis. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.